Alam mo, may isang katotohanan na mahirap tanggapin. Pero once you accept it, everything will change. And here it is. No one is coming to save you. Walang darating na tao, walang biglang opportunity, walang instant na swerte na mag-aangat sa'yo if you don't move. Minsan kasi, we keep waiting. Naghihintay tayo ng tamang timing. Naghihintay tayo ng tulong. Naghihintay tayo ng sign. Pero ang totoo, ikaw ang hinihintay ng buhay mo. You are the answer. You are the solution. You are the one who needs to take action. Let's be honest, ilang beses mo na bang sinabi, kapag ready na ako, kapag may pera na ako, kapag okay na ang lahat. But the question is, kailan? Because days turn into months, and months turn into years. And before you know it, wala pa rin nangyayari. Here's the reality. Opportunities don't wait for you. You create them. Hindi mo kailangan ng perfect na situation. Hindi mo kailangan maging ready 100%. Because the truth is, no one is ever fully ready. Look at successful people. They didn't start perfect. They didn't start confident. They started scared. They started confused. They started with nothing. But they made one decision. They moved. At alam mo ba kung bakit karamihan hindi umaangat? It's not because wala silang chance. It's because they keep waiting instead of working. Minsan, ang biggest enemy mo, ikaw rin. Your doubts, your fears, your excuses. Hindi ko kaya. Baka mag-fail ako. Wala akong resources. But let me ask you this. What if kaya mo pala? What if one step lang ang kailangan mo para magbago ang lahat? Listen carefully. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Kahit maliit, kahit pangit sa umpisa, kahit walang nanonood. Start anyway. Kung may cellphone ka, if you have internet, if you have time, you have an opportunity. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi na problem ang opportunity. Ang problem, lack of action. Stop waiting. Stop blaming. Stop making excuses. Because habang naghihintay ka, someone out there is already working. Habang nagdadalawang isip ka, someone out there is already winning. And one day, you'll wake up and realize, sila successful na. Ikaw, hindi pa. And deep inside, you already know why. They took action. You waited. And this is your wake-up call. Hindi bukas, hindi next week, hindi kapag ready ka na. Mag-start ka na ngayon. Now, start that video, start that business, start that new habit. Kahit mahirap, kahit awkward, kahit walang support, do it anyway. Because at the end of the day, you don't need someone to save you. You need to save yourself. Remember this, no one is coming to save you. But the good news is, you don't need anyone. Ikaw ang bida sa buhay mo. You write your own story. So don't wait. Move, act, start before it's too late. Agree ka ba? Comment mo yung opinion mo and see you in the comment section.